These are Lithophanes. These were made from a 3D printed plastic on our filament-style 3D printers. These images were made using a converter that palette maps the light and dark parts of an image. When a light source is applied, more light passes through the thin areas, and less light passes through the thicker areas. This creates a contrast of light that gives us some pretty dynamic images. And did you know we can make these in color? Lithophanes make great gifts for birthdays, memorials, special occasions, or really whatever you can dream up. Lithophanes are easy to make and inexpensive to produce. Most Lithophanes can be made between $2 and $5, depending on the size. So, if you'd like to learn more, head over to our channel and watch our tutorial on how to make your own 3D printed Lithophanes.